So we are starting our journey to Varampur. We are going to Bangalore airport. Liman, all set?
All good.
Chalo, let's start. Now we are entering Bangalore airport. The airport has a deserted look. Usually it is full with traffic. The weather is so good today. This is the one thing I'll miss most in Bangalore. Now we are about to enter the Bangalore airport. Weather is pretty good as always. Now we have entered the Bangalore airport. We'll start our journey. Now there is temperature scan going on. Nice initiative by Bangalore airport. Now they have a scanning machine to scan our boarding pass, and also they want to check our Aadhaar card. Great initiative. So now I got my boarding pass, and also so I've just given my luggage. It's going, and I've also got this my Firefox cycle, which finally I am done with my luggage check-in. It was a huge task because I am carrying my bicycle. Now we are entering for the security. Literally no one is there. Never ever seen Bangalore airport like this. Let's see. Completely no touch airport. Again there is another initiative for touchless drinking water. They have put some kind of food pedestal, something kind of like that, so you can press it and drink your water. Lounge service has also started here in Bangalore airport. They are only giving takeaway orders. Now I have received my lounge bill, very well packed. This is the safety kit that Indigo airline has given to all its passengers. Great, looks good. Now I'm about to board my flight. I'm heading to Bhubaneswar, my native place. Let's see. Now I'm entering the vestibule. Everyone is wearing their face shield. They are giving some water bottles, compliment. They need this keep a safe distance tags. Nice initiative for social distancing. Now I'm entering the flight.
होने पर ऑक्सीजन मास्क आपकी कुर्सी के ऊपर लगे पैनल से अपने आप नीचे आ जाएंगे। अब अपनी कुर्सी पर बैठे रहें और ऑक्सीजन का प्रवाह शुरू करने के लिए ऐसे अपनी ओर खींचे और नाक और मुंह ढककर सांस लेते रहें। ऑक्सीजन मास्क पहनने से पहले
Lot of flights from the airlines are lying idle, waiting for the day when they will take off. And now my time has come to take off and head to Bhubaneswar. Picturesque view. I really missed taking flights all this while. I don't know when next I will take another flight, but let's enjoy the moment. I have reached the mission. Some people have taken like the precaution to the next level. They are very well dressed. This is the hotel. They are doing this stamping activity for all the passengers who have come from different states, just to track where one is heading or where one has come from.